आर्टिकल्स मीन्स अनुच्छेद, साहित्यिक लेख और धारा. You can say in Hindi sense. Article, it is two kinds. One is definite article. One is definite article. Another is indefinite article. Article. Definite. There is used the. Where we can use the before superlative degree, we use the. What is superlative degree? There are three kinds of degree: positive, comparative, superlative. Positive means साधारण अवस्था, comparative means तुलनात्मक अवस्था, superlative means उत्तम अवस्था. Superlative degree, where we find est in the end of word. Before it, we can use the as big, bigger, biggest. Big is positive degree. Bigger, where we find er in the word of in the word of last er. And third is superlative degree. In the end of word we find est as it is depicted in the following sentences. Big. This is a positive degree. Where we find in the end of word er, that is a comparative degree. Big, bigger, biggest. Big is positive degree, bigger is comparative degree, biggest is superlative degree. Superlative degree, before superlative degree we use the. As he is the biggest in the class. वह क्लास में सबसे बड़ा. Here is superlative degree. Before it we can use the. Where we can pronunciate the or the. According to Oxford Dictionary, the is used when we find after the consonant, and the if we find vowel after the, we can pronunciate the according to Oxford Dictionary. So we can use superlative degree before the. As he is the tallest. He is the tallest man. He is the tallest man. Tallest is superlative degree. Before superlative degree, we can use the. But if we find before superlative degree, my, our, your, his, her, it's there, we do not use the. Before sun, moon, earth, sky, we can use the. As the sun. Before natural things, we can use the sun, the moon, the earth, the sky. Before natural things, we can use the. Before newspaper or magazine, we can use the. The दैनिक जागरण, दैनिक जागरण is the name of a newspaper. Before दैनिक जागरण we can use the any newspapers. Before we can use the आज अमर उजाला, दैनिक जागरण, हिंदुस्तान टाइम्स. These are newspapers name. Before newspapers name we can use the. Before magazine we can use the. Stardust. The society. These are name of magazines. Before magazines we can use the. Before newspaper we can use the. Before mountains, rivers we can use the. As the Himalayas. As Himalayas are the name of mountain. Before it we can use the. Before river, any river, as Ganga, the Ganga, the Yamuna, the Gomti, the Saryu. These are the name of rivers. We can use the before these words. Before caste we can use the. As the Hindus. The Hindus means Hindustani persons. The Muslims means Muslim persons. The Sikh means Sikh persons. The before caste we can use the Muslim, the Sikh, the Isai. These are the name of caste. Before it we can use the. Before ancient buildings we can use the. As the Red Fort, the Taj Mahal. These are the name of ancient building. We can use the. As the Red Fort. The Taj Mahal. These are the name of ancient building. Before common noun we can use the. As the man. The book. The rich means wealthy person. The poor means living in poverty person. The man, the rich. Before common noun we can use the. Before ancient building we can use the. Before superlative degree we can use the. Before newspaper we can use the. Before magazines we can use the. These are the symbol of the mountains, rivers, before caste, before cannons, before continent we can use the. Before superlative degree we can use the. The is pronunciated with the and the according Oxford Dictionary. The is used before when we find when the is used when we find vowel rung. The is used when we find consonant, and the is used when we find after it vowels. These are the definition of the. This is a definite article. What is indefinite article? There are used two letters a and the. A and. There are used a and. A is used after consonant. When pronunciation is consonant, there we use a. When we pronunciate vowel, there is used and. And a means one, and means one. When we find after vowel, when we find after vowel, for one thing we can use a and. For one thing we can use and. As aeroplane, and aeroplane. A-R-P-L-A-N. And apple. An apple and elephant, which words pronunciation with vowel, there we use and. Which pronunciation begins with consonant, there we use a. As a boy, a table, a chair. Welcome to all of you. Today I told you about article. There are two types of article: definite article, indefinite article. Indefinite article there we use the. Indefinite article there we use a and the. I have told you, use superlative before superlative degree, before common noun, singular person, before newspaper, before magazine, before natural thing, the moon, the sun, the earth, the sky, before continent, as Asia, Europe. There are 7 continents: Asia, Europe, America, Uttari America, Dakshini America, Antarctica, Africa, Australia. Before caste we can use the, as Hindus, as Muslim, as Sikh, as rich, the poor. Before ancient building we can use the, as the Red Fort, the Taj Mahal. Now I have told you about definite article in brief. शॉर्ट में थोड़े शब्दों में बताएं. What is indefinite article a and? Which word begins with vowel? For one person, one thing. There we use and. As apple, as an apple, an aeroplane, an elephant, an orange. Which words begins with consonant? For one thing or one person, there we use a as a table, a chair, a book. These are the description of article. Now I have told about a definite article and indefinite article. Write down homework. Where by the